Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video guys if you're trying to find the fuse for the engine starter on a Hyundai Sonata generation 2009 to 2015. We will explain guys, you actually may have up to 2 fuses, and also if that's not the problem, okay, you replace the fuses and car still doesn't start, we're going to have actually a special video that's going to explain how to diagnose a Hyundai Sonata that doesn't start. So make sure guys you subscribe to the channel. Let's start on it now. If you guys need to buy any parts, tools, cheap fuses guys, we're going to share the link in the description of the video below where you can get all that from for a really good price and quick shipping as well. That's where we get all our parts from. Another thing guys, every single car we get at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why we do that? Simply because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need guys in return, please subscribe to the channel and like the video. Now, what's the plan guys? To make at least 200 guys free electrical and diagnostic videos that will be shared on this channel you're watching right now, Electrical Car Repair Live, and we will have more than 300 guys mechanical videos taking the whole engine apart, the whole car apart, and we will show you how to fix pretty much anything. All that will be posted on our main YouTube channel. Okay, it's called Auto Repair guys, right here guys. We have helped more than 100 million people, so let's go ahead and start on it now. So specifically guys, this is a 2013 Hyundai Sonata. So let's say you go inside, you turn the ignition on, okay, car doesn't start guys, okay, no cranking, nothing like that. So you go inside, you turn the key, nothing happens. We will explain guys, okay, where to look for these 2 fuses. So you need to check guys a couple fuses now. That's the fuse box right here under the hood. You have one top here, one here, squish, pull up. And if you keep it this way guys, okay, let me just put it a little bit like that so we don't have reflection from the light. If you keep it this way, the layout here corresponds to what we have here, as you can see that way. The fuse guys, okay, that we need to check, the first one is known as TCU, okay, 1 2 3 4. This is the 4th fuse right here, okay, 1 2 3 4, that 15 amp fuse. So you can get the fuse puller and just pull it out, okay, get on top of the fuse, pull it out, okay, and drop it guys, and inspect it. Now, I always recommend to test the fuses. It takes only a few seconds and we have a video that explains how to do that. Why? Because simply guys, if you think you have a good fuse, you install it, but actually it was a bad fuse, that will cost you money, time and effort to fix your car. So always test them guys, or replace them, and we'll put the link where you can get so many fuses for a really good affordable price as well. Now, another fuse that controls the engine starter is known as ignition 2 guys. So if you look, okay, this 30 amp fuse right here, the first one, that's fuse actually is for the ignition and starter as well. So check this one out. Okay, the same testing procedure will apply to this one as well. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.